Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an email permanently, ensuring your digital footprint is truly clean. Understand that simply moving an email to trash often isn't enough for complete removal from your account. We will meticulously cover essential steps, from initial deletion to thoroughly emptying your trash folder. This comprehensive process helps maintain your privacy, organize your inbox effectively, and leaves no trace behind in your email system. Your first step is to simply find the email you want gone forever. Once located, click the Delete or Trash button, which sends it to a designated holding area. Think of this as putting an item in your recycle bin, not yet sending it to the landfill. If it is part of a conversation, delete the entire thread to ensure all related messages are included in this initial move. Now, it is time to access your trash or bin folder directly. Look for a clear option such as Empty Trash or Delete All, which will appear prominently. It is crucial to confirm this action when asked, as this step is generally irreversible. Performing this command moves those emails from their temporary holding spot to a permanent deletion queue on the email server, making them unrecoverable. It is wise to check other less obvious folders where emails might be hiding. Take a moment to look in your archived folder, as some emails are automatically moved there instead of trash. Also, always review your spam or junk folders, just in case. Furthermore, examine any custom labels or categories you have set up, ensuring no lingering copies remain in these additional areas of your email system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.